Hello, I'm Sarah Pinch, MD of Pinchpoint Communications. We do three main things: undertake communications audits to give organisations assurance that their communications is working or not, hold the hands of organisations through periods of major change, and media training. The UK is potentially set to leave the European Union, and public relations can make a big difference to how you handle uncertainty in the final days before we leave on the 31st of October. For healthcare, it is important that as an employer, you have a named person responsible for internal communications about a No Deal Brexit. This is vital if you have EU citizens as employees. So if you have not already done an employee audit, do one now and make sure that your employees know that it is about supporting them to be as prepared as they can be for a no deal Brexit. Look at your policies and procedures. You may want to give staff time off if they need to get their paperwork or that of their family members updated or changed. If you trade with the EU, for example for drugs or equipment, or if you receive research funding from Europe, there will be ongoing changes that will affect those business relationships for months or even years to come. Nobody will expect you to know all the answers at this stage, but not having certainty is not a good reason for not communicating. If you've done Brexit preparation, then write it down on one side of paper what it is that you have done. Make sure all your staff know what you've done and can refer to that information so that they can act as your ambassadors. Give everyone a role in communicating both your readiness and any remaining uncertainties. Make sure your suppliers and customers all know what you're doing. If they don't, then potentially a lot of your preparation will be wasted, as if they don't hear from you, they will fill the void themselves and may well assume the worst. If you haven't done much preparation, then taking a communications-led approach can really help you focus on what is critical and ensure that you get your key messages communicated to the right people in the short time that remains. A PR consultant can help you frame what you want to say to employees, customers and suppliers in an effective and business-like way. This will build confidence in you and lays the ground for the right approach to facing the challenges ahead in communicating your plans effectively with your customers. Always keep them up to date.